Have you ever wondered how to turn a simple idea into a profitable business? Today, we'll explore innovative ideas and entrepreneurial opportunities that can change the game for you. We're about to dive into a universe of possibilities, presenting not just one, but several business ideas that can be implemented with the help of smart machines and creativity. If you're ready to discover how to turn your dreams into reality and kickstart your own venture, then keep watching. Get ready to be inspired, learn, and leave here with new perspectives on the business world. It's time to bring your ideas to life and make it happen. So, without further ado, let's begin this journey toward success. 1. Customized carpets. This is a relatively new business idea that involves manufacturing entry rugs with bright colors based on individual designs. It's ideal for creative individuals who want to start a business with minimal investment. Here's how it works. First, you receive the order to make a rug and collect a 50% deposit. Then, with the help of a projector and a marker, you transfer the design provided by the customer onto the fabric that is stretched on a wooden frame. Fabrics like linen or canvas can be used, which can be purchased from any fabric store. In the next step, you use a tufting gun. Insert the yarn and start working on the prepared fabric. Then, the rug is cut out. After that, the only remaining step is to treat the backs of the rugs with waterproof glue, dry them, and send them to the customer. The profit margin of this business is approximately 100%, and the initial investment required is around $1,000. 2. Orthopedic insole production. This machine allows for the production of customized orthopedic insoles in minutes. First, the machine scans the person's feet to determine the type of insole needed. Then, they are inserted into the bottom of the machine and heated. The heated insoles are placed on special molding pads, and the person stands on them. The insoles cool for 3 minutes and are then inserted into the shoes. This way, you quickly get customized orthopedic insoles that precisely follow the foot's topography, increasing the support surface and helping to evenly distribute loads on the leg muscles. This reduces fatigue, pain, improves venous flow, and reduces swelling. You can open outlets in shopping centers with high foot traffic and many shoe stores. This is the ideal option if you make a deal with orthopedists and orthopedic surgeons in your city, as they can bring you clients and you will give them a percentage. The cost of these machines in China is around $2,500. 3. Stationary product customization. With the increasing demand for personalized stationery products, a promising business idea is to invest in machines that enable the customization of notebooks, planners, cards, stickers, and other stationery items. These machines can range from special printers that allow for the printing of unique designs to die, cutting machines that help create different shapes and patterns on products. Additionally, you can offer laser engraving services to add names, special dates, or personalized messages to the products. With a variety of customization options, you can cater to both individual customers looking for unique gifts and companies wanting personalized products for corporate use. The key to success in this business is to offer high-quality products, unique designs, and excellent customer service to build a solid base of loyal customers. 4. Digital sewing machines. These machines allow you to make money in sewing without having the skills of a professional seamstress. Basically, all the work boils down to controlling the software. You can select, create, or upload any image from your phone, and the machine will print it by itself. This equipment is very versatile in its application and allows you to find clients in different niches. For example, customizing and coloring sneakers to order is very popular these days. With the same principle, you can personalize denim jackets. Another option is printing children's drawings. A parent sends an image drawn by their child, and you embroider the image on a t-shirt and send it to the customer, which will become the child's favorite thing. The cost of these digital sewing machines starts at $2,000. 5. Green fence production. Another amazing business idea that can be organized in a relatively small space is the production of green grass fences. This type of fence is durable and sustainable, has a relatively low cost, and looks very beautiful. To produce them, you will need a machine that applies PVC film to wire in the form of grass. The cost of such a machine starts at $4,000. Then, the obtained wire can be used in any machine for weaving. 6. Decorative tile production. While some say you can't make money in the garage, this idea proves just the opposite. This is an automatic line for the production of decorative tiles where you can create directly from your garage. This allows for the production of up to 9 square meters of Venetian tiles without human intervention, taking 8 to 9 hours depending on the type of sandblasting and settings. To operate the machine, it is necessary to fill the sandblasting plastifier. Pour water into the barrel, add lubricating liquid, and adjust the flow of these components. The production cost of the tiles is approximately $1 per square meter, but you can sell them at a much higher price. The machine is assembled with available materials and motors, and the assembly cost of this machine is around $3,500. 7. Packaging, production. More and more sales are conducted online these days, and every product sold needs an individual package. This market is simply enormous and is growing all the time. To produce packaging boxes in small quantities, you will need a CNC cutter. The machine will cut the box, and then it just needs to be assembled before the product can be packed. This way, it's possible to make boxes of different sizes to order for any merchandise, whether it's burgers or gift boxes. The cost of a good CNC machine starts at $10,000. Making boxes is just a very small part of what can be produced with these machines, as they work with different materials, especially if you complement the production with a large format printer with UV printing. 8. Balloon printing. This equipment allows you to organize a business with balloons. You can buy bulk quantities of balloons of different colors from China, and then, using this printer, print different fun instructions on them and distribute them through outlets. It's also possible to gain many clients by collaborating with advertising agencies and events. The cost of this automatic equipment is around $2,500. In conclusion, the world of entrepreneurship offers a plethora of opportunities, and the innovative ideas and machines discussed here serve as a testament to the boundless potential for starting and expanding businesses in various sectors. Whether it's through customizing products with digital sewing machines, producing sustainable green fences, or personalizing packaging with CNC cutters, there's something for every aspiring entrepreneur to explore. By harnessing creativity, technology, and a willingness to adapt, individuals can turn their dreams into reality and carve out their own path to success in today's dynamic business landscape. So, seize the moment, embrace innovation, and embark on your entrepreneurial journey with confidence, knowing that with the right tools and determination, anything is possible. These were the machines and ideas we brought to you to start your business right away. Which one did you find most interesting? Do you know of any machines that would be cool to include in the next video? We look forward to your comments. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe now to stay updated on all videos related to finance, investments, entrepreneurship, etc. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like to help us reach more people. Thank you for watching until here, and see you in the next video.